become the people become solutions. Thank you very much for your time as well. Thank you. Let's all be seated. Let's all be seated. Yes, come on. More mutna ho nyina montrase maye. More mutna ho nyina enkonya ne edoso. Obia entrase emaye. Yes, Ramo Obia entrase maye. More mutna ho nyina the person you say Obia atmase. Yes, Ramo kasa e pakwa no. Mo weni. Driver. School culture troop. School culture troop is what we're seeing now. As you see me, so looking at me, also, I know that my honorable MC, UNICEF representative, regional minister, ambassador from Netherlands to Ghana, Nime Name, the sheikhs, the leaders of the various Ashaiman sects and groups and fashions and everything. I'll say thank you to them one more time. But I wouldn't, officials are Yambamba can papers. Yeah, Banaya Madiana and nice. Say, and no dinner, my papa, no friend, the same and Brian, you know. Again, make we take them to the dance hall again. Time and time again, if we fall, we go rise and fly again. Money will come again. Here we go. I grade, make we bust champagne. Forget about the worries. Y'all come dance again. Wind that body again. And then everything be done and said. Yeah, what is that? Okay, I see. Hustling from Choco to Mount Proby. From Ashaiman to Kotopabi. With a burn under the sun, but still give. Wait till well then. Sometimes it be dog chain and they carry. Meet by rock, and they rush, and they hurry. That about for where he be like, say, I go marry. Waiting be my own. I'm not in this alone. Because somebody they sweat for the air conditioner. I just a party and for more. And don't bother about another yellow. This is a special citation to be presented by the Ashaiman Municipal Assembly to our own icon, Stonebwoy, Mr. Livingston Eche Satekla. Your investment in music has truly made a difference. You have given hopes and reasons why Ashaiman cannot fail or lost on the map of our beloved nation, Ghana. You have, by music, placed Ashaiman on a high profile in the world. You always mention Ashaiman in your music, and proud to come from Ashaiman. In fact, no one points to the father's house with the left hand, as the adage goes. It's best understood through you. As part of the 10th anniversary celebration of Ashaiman Municipal Assembly, you are this day, on 23rd January, honored as the ambassador for Ashaiman for the year 2019. With affection and gratitude from Ashaiman Municipal Assembly. We go job life, we go make happy.